Las Americas is the most popular resort in Tenerife due to its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and wide range of activities and attractions. The resort is also conveniently located close to Tenerife's main airport, making it easy for tourists to access. Along the beachfront, visitors can enjoy a variety of water sports, an array of restaurants, and plenty of beach bars. Las Americas also offers a great selection of shopping and entertainment venues, making it a great choice for a holiday in Tenerife. Costa de Hay is the second most popular resort in Tenerife due to its natural beauty and stunning landscapes. The resort is located in the south of the island, offering visitors stunning views of the ocean and the surrounding volcanic landscape. Costa de Hay also boasts a wide range of activities and attractions, such as an array of golf courses, an array of water sports, and plenty of nightlife options. The resort is also home to many luxury hotels, making it a great choice for a luxurious holiday in Tenerife. Puerto de la Cruz is the third most popular resort in Tenerife due to its traditional charm and laid-back atmosphere. The resort is located in the north of the island and is characterized by its black sand beaches, historic buildings, and quaint cobbled streets. Visitors can enjoy a wide range of activities, such as exploring the lush forests and hiking in the surrounding mountains. Puerto de la Cruz also offers plenty of shops, restaurants, and bars, making it an excellent choice for a relaxed holiday in Tenerife. For some amazing offers to Tenerife and many other places around the world, see the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.